and today I'm flipping an old glass vase for an easy DIY home decor. I'm using heavy gesso on my base, applying with a brush in all over the base. You can also use a primer or ultra grip. This gesso will dry very fast and will provide an excellent base for the next products I'll be using. I will be doing a second layer, let them dry between each other. This first step by applying gesso is crucial because it will be allow us to stick the other products we're gonna use it. For the second layer, I realized that using a sea sponge will create a textured finish, which I'm going through. So I'm using the sea sponge and the results are amazing, and also the application is easier. Doing small touches with the sponge until all the vase is completely covered. This gesso will take around 2 hours to completely dry. Next step will be painting the vase, and for that I'm using Metallic Acrylic Sheen in Broad Champagne. Doing the same technique as for the gesso, small touches and trying not to completely cover all the vase, letting show up some of the gesso behind. You can also use another color for this step. Doesn't have to be a metallic paint, it can be another kind of paint or paste. This DIY project is very easy. I know all of us have old bases that you can flip with any paint, any paste, using stencils, decoupage paper, anything you can flip it and turn it into something amazing. This paint dries very fast, and then we're gonna be ready for our next step. Now it's time to add sparkling texture to our base. This time I'm using a product named Cross Ice Effect Paste. This paste dries completely clear, but with some gold glitters. I'm using the same technique by doing small touches all over the half part of the base. I'm starting from the middle, going to the top, but you can also start from the top through the middle. Just simple as that, doing small touches, and that's it. It's an easy technique and the results are gorgeous. I'm covering the metallic paint, but at the same time, I'm not worried about exposing any part I'm not covering with this base. As I mentioned before, this base will be dry clear with the sparkling. You can apply this technique on any project. It can be a furniture piece, it can be a small project, but using this sea sponge will create texture. Our next step and final will be applying another paste named Jewel Effect Paste in Golden Dust. This paste is gorgeous and will be leaving your pieces with a gold glitter, but with texture. I'm doing the same technique for prior steps. This time, I'm covering the bottom part of the base and the middle, going up and overlapping the first paste. We're gonna leave it dry, and if you want it, you can seal this base with a clear spray sealer or a lacquer spray. And this is how it looks now. Honestly, it's better in person where you could see all the glitters that we love for these holidays. And of course, you can leave it for all seasons by changing the decor inside the vase. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today.